so we're gonna jump right into this video. I already know y'all rolling your eyes. Look at my hair. But first things first, I'm gonna moisturize with coconut oil. You can pretty much use any one that you want to use. I choose to use unrefined. What does that even mean? I don't know. But I do know that I'm gonna go ahead and part off my dusty brown hair, y'all. So I've been going back and forth about chopping my hair. We've had this discussion 1,000,000 times. I'm not gonna do it. I've heat damaged my hair even more than the last time. And that's just kind of what it is, you know? So you're here. I'm sure you can relate, you know? I'm so tired of seeing everybody, not even everybody, but so many people on YouTube that just has this like perfect curl pattern and everything is like peachy keen. Listen, there's so many women in the world whose hair looks just like mine, or not, or maybe even better. I don't know. But I definitely just want to be a representation of you, babes, okay? So if you can relate, I'm here for you. I feel you. I see what you see. I feel what you feel. In this case, my hair actually is really, really soft. So I washed and conditioned my hair with Aussie Moist. And then, of course, I have my coconut oil. And I'm sectioning my hair off. So I did a middle part. From that middle part, I sectioned off another half from that left, right, or left or right. My right or left, I don't know. Half. And then I sectioned that into another half. So all in all, I'm sectioning off my hair. I don't even think I explained that well, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. So hopefully you're a visual learner. I'm just literally going to be throwing my hair into some braids. When I say throwing my hair in braids, usually I take the time to make sure my parts are like extremely perfect. I did not do that in this case, so don't judge, okay? This is strictly to let you know how to do your braid pattern for wigs, weave, you know, crochet and things like that. Just a really quick one. So taking some of my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control, just to kind of get my edges together, nothing too crazy. And honestly, with putting that coconut oil on my hair, the edge control didn't even stick the way that it was supposed to, so that was completely pointless. But yeah, so I'm really just going through the hair, and my nails are short, so I'm able to really grip my scalp, I guess, the way that I need to. So I know some people will probably end up commenting, your hair is so red, or your scalp is red. First of all, I'm light skinned. Second of all, my scalp is already sensitive. Third of all, I'm braiding extremely tight, so I'm stressing my scalp out right now, so that's kind of normal. Y'all, please tell me this. Why are my muscles poking out like that? Like, come on. This is what I want y'all to know. This video is not about muscles, but I know somebody's going to point it out. Actually, multiple people are. I do not work out at all. Like, I mean, I'll go through my phase of, like, trying to work out, and then that's all of 3 days, and maybe an ab workout, and maybe, I don't know, some squats, and that's it, y'all. I've always been muscular. So crazy. This is the exact moment, y'all, that I realized I did not part my hair off right. So please don't judge me. That's why I had to put the disclaimer that this video is literally me throwing some braids in my hair. I do have a better video, I would definitely say that, from a little while ago, maybe about a year ago. So definitely just kind of, if I remember to put it in the description box, I definitely will. If not, just type in ForeverCryssy braiding pattern and everything will pop up. Like, you put that into Google, or not even Google, you put it onto YouTube, the search, you know, bar, and you'll be able to find it that way, or just go on my channel and it will be there. But again, I'll try to remember to just put it in my description box just to make it easier. I don't want you to have to do research. So I'm just braiding my hair all the way down to the end. At this point, I'm not so much caring about I don't know, style. It's more so just let's get these braids in, babe, you know? So I'm just going to go ahead and split the hair. Again, moisturizing, making sure that everything is evenly coated from root to tip. I'm just in the process of like, we're just going to grow this hair out. I just want to grow it until I'm annoyed with it, and then I'm going to do a super huge, big chop. So this is going to be my trial and error. I want to see how long my hair is going to get, maybe within the next year or two, and then I'll be doing a really big chop, and then from there, you guys will get to live through me with my natural hair journey with this 4B, C, D, E, F, G hair. And yeah, it'll be lovely. But for now, this is what we're doing. So, y'all, I'm so silly. Anyway, I'm just continuing to braid down. I know that I'm supposed to be doing like a really detailed how to cornrow video. I attempted to do that, and then I realized I'm not great at explaining how to cornrow. So I was starting to get frustrated with it. So I think I'm going to have to try to do the video again, maybe earlier in the morning when I'm in a better mood, and then we'll kind of go from there, because it was just really hard. I even watched some other tutorials to see, like, you know, if I can get some pointers of how to really just be in depth with that. But then I realized I felt like, you know, it was just kind of hard to explain. So I'm going to try it again for you babies because I definitely want to help you out with, you know, just learning the cornrow. I know some people are visual learners, so some of you guys have caught on pretty quick. I don't actually remember how I learned how to braid. I definitely know that, like, it just kind of happened one day. I know my brother's like, hey, can you braid my hair? And I knew how to plait for my grandma. And yeah, he's just like, just keep grabbing the hair to the back. Like, create the plait and then keep grabbing hair, keep grabbing hair. And I kind of just caught on from there. So that's not a really good excuse because I don't assume that you guys will be able to, you know, learn something like that. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to make that video for you. I'm just rambling. So yeah, as you can see, I have that half, and just to kind of really make sure your parts are even, I always try to split each half into a half, and from that half, another half, and so that's where we are. And I think this side I actually parted just a little bit better. As you can see, I'm not taking much time to really get those parts together at all. I'm literally just going through with the comb maybe once or twice to kind of go over that parting area, and that is literally it. Like, whatever comes out of that is literally what we're braiding down. And I want you to keep that in mind. You don't have to focus on, oh, I need my parts to be super perfect. Nobody's gonna see this, and even if they do, by the time they see your wig off, your hair should be growing out anyway, so your braids are not gonna be cute. The goal is to just keep your hair completely tucked, hydrated, moisturized, and braided up. So if you are going to be doing these styles, you're able to wash them really easy. I even wash my hair in braids. So I don't know if that's something that you guys do, but I do that. I wash my hair with conditioner and a little bit of shampoo mixed together, and then from there I'll rinse it out and then go ahead and wash it again, or more so just condition it, let that sit, bathe, do what I'm going to do, and then I rinse out the conditioner. And so, you know, I let it air dry. If I feel like I need to redo my braids, I'll go ahead and do that. But for the most part, I don't, you know. And that's really how I allow my hair to grow. So you guys can probably watch another video, maybe even like 4 or 5 months ago. My hair was actually longer than what it is now. And that's how I grew my hair. I just kept it in these braids, and I think I wore wigs for maybe about a year, like a solid year. And I think I maybe trimmed twice. So yeah, that's just a little tip or trick, I guess. I'm just gonna continue to braid this down, and yeah, I think I'm done from here. So I'm even remembering to put some of that coconut oil like on the nape of my neck, because that is like a struggle area. I remember when I first went natural, that area really was long. Like it really surprised me. But just over time, I don't know if it's from I guess I would probably say from wearing wigs and things like that, maybe having wig caps on. You know, it's just rubbing against the nape of your neck, and so that hair has started to break off. So I know that's something that a lot of African American women like struggle with. I'm not even just gonna say African American, because I feel like other races can have a kinkier texture and maybe have the same struggles. I'm not sure, but I do know that I struggle with that. So if that's something that you guys would like for me to kind of give you updates about so that you can follow that journey, definitely let me know, because I want to be able to help you guys any way that I can. So like I said, if you have questions, always leave those down in the comment section below. I try to answer them as best as I can, whether that's on Instagram or here on YouTube directly to you. I definitely just kind of want to give you that feedback as well. So that'll work. And then I'm just going to finish these all off, and then I'll be right back. I mean, I really did a rough draft of the braids, and they're still for the most part about the same size. So that's a really good way to measure. Like I said, split your hair in half. From that half, do another half, and from that half, do another half. And so that's how you'll make sure everything is pretty much even. So I'm just taking a pretty large rubber band just to hold everything together at the bottom of my hair, because it will come out, because I kind of have those straight ends. And so once I have that pretty much secured, that's literally it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys so much. If I say guys one more time, I love you. Stay pretty. I'll see you next time. Bye, babies. Crazy, y'all. Crazy.